Dun-dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today, I'm going to bring you the iQOO Honor of Kings 10 years anniversary collector edition. And this is the limited edition form for iQOO15 at this time. For this special edition to provide 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. And it's AMOLED dual SIM supported multi-standby device. So next, let's have a quick unboxing and hands-on video about the special edition from iQOO. So let's use my knife to cut it off. To provide a very good unboxing videos, no need knife. Can easily remove the plastic bag, soft plastic bag of the box, and now the box is in front of us. And let's open it. In the box is a big classical Honor of Kings logo element, and remove color cover. Inside the box. First, the Honor of Kings 10 years poster was well put in the photo frame. Cannot get it out. And this is the because of you honor. We get Honor of Kings and put it here. And then let's check other stuff first. So after we open the box, inside the box just like a wing cover, left and right side now, like the wing of the butterfly. So first, let's check this. A very small box, and this is the Honor of Kings ring, the 10 years special ring MVP. Very nice. Let's put it back. And everywhere we can find the Honor of Kings classical element. And this is smartphone. We are protected in the black smartphone protector. And case also well placed. And from this angle, we find another box was here. Looks like a drawer. Also, Honor of Kings 10-year anniversary. Everywhere, the designer planned to strengthen the impression of the Honor of Kings 10 years. It's not a short time, actually. And from this drawer, we find another package. And this is like a poster, also the Honor of Kings. It's like a postcard. And also, hello, my dear friends. It's a letter for the Honor of Kings fans and also the iQOO fans. And here is a quick use manual and the ready cut information also here. So this is the old stuff inside this package. And next, I cannot waiting to check the accessories of this special edition form. It's just like a carbon fiber Type-C customized cable. And this is a charger, Type-C charger, and also customized charger. And this is the card. It shows the different characters from the game, and also the 10 years. Always strengthen our impression of our 10 years of this game. Cool. And the card, it's a good high quality card. Let's put it back. And if you are play games Honor of Kings and you are fans of Honor of Kings, you will really similar with this element in all used in this special edition form for iQOO and Honor of Kings. Wow, sling is a customized sling, and also we can find it's a classical sapphire. Okay, this is also the classical element they used in the games. And okay, now I get all the stuff accessories out of the box and I put it on the desk, front of my desk. Okay, the phone case, cable, and also the accessories, the sling, the card, and well, finally I want to take it out from the box. The black smartphone protector. Wow, nice. From different angle you find it's reflect different display, and it's AG and polishing technology and the AF coating film back panel, and also gets a very good and delicate hands-on fittings. And we cap the screen, turn on the smartphone. iQOO. Okay, the iQOO logo, and all this time they use the floating crystal signification with also the optical structure to get different display for the back panel, and also the sapphire element was well used at the four corners of the smartphone. And also this time the frame is a sand polish material fittings frame and back panel. And also the, as I showed you, the box used the specialty box, the golden printing logo, gets a very good feeling of unboxing. And now finally you are all set up and we can enter the OS, the original OS from iQOO. So let's adjust the brightness, and wow, so this is a smartphone in front of us. It's iQOO Honor of Kings 10 years special edition. This is the big logo from Honor of Kings, and four corners we can find the sapphire Honor of Kings classic element well implemented in this back panel of the device. And also inside the books, the customized phone, besides customized phone, the customized case, cable, the sling, and the postcard, the MAP rings, and also the desktop photo frame. Okay, now we enter the OS, and this time they also provide a customized UI, the characters from the Honor of Kings, and also the element of the game was well used, applied in this customized UI. And also, first let's go to the settings to check more information about the device. Okay, iQOO15 original OS 6, and it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 processor and the octa-core processor, max band 4.6 GHz. It's a 3nm producing technology. RAM and ROM 16 LPDDR5X Ultra and 512 GB ROM UFS 4.11, and it's support HUD, UHD and HD display resolution, and 60.85-inch AMOLED screen, straight screen, and max band support 144 Hz refresh rate, and support HDR technology, and the display resolution is to 3168 by 1440. Super nice screen. And as we know, this iQOO phones from Vivo, yes, they're mainly focused on the gaming, sport gaming, and we know this, and so we can find this, use the very higher refresh rate screen this time. And also for the camera part, it's 50 megapixel main camera plus 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 50 megapixel wide angle and also a 32 megapixel front camera. And maximum support 1x zoom, mixed digital zoom, and the front camera support 4K record reading for the video recording, and the rear camera support 8K video recording. And let's go to the cameras, long exposure and escape style upgraded. Got it. And now we can try to testing the camera. Okay. Put the accessories and okay. We're testing the MVP ring. Cannot hang on, so let's take it out. Okay, let's try to test it. Nice. Okay, what angle? 1 time, 2 time. What angle? Okay, this is a wide angle. Zoom. Also zoom. We should move further because it's get a very short distance, so we cannot get clean and distinguished photo. Move further away. Okay, let's just lock it. Okay, very blurred. Okay, so cannot because the short distance. I will try again later. It can only support to even 10 times cannot, and the maximum actually is 100 times. Let's go to this auto photographer. Okay, we entered another mode. Other interface. Okay, let's go to the back. And okay, 10 times cannot. We change the objector. Okay. 10 times cannot. We need to move further away. I still need to move further away. But less than times it can. So let's get blur. Okay, and now let's go to landscape and night mode. Snapshot. Okay, this is a snapshot 3 times. And let's choose focus. Again. Move further away. Okay, so even 3 times, I still need further away. Okay, this landscape for portrait. This portrait. Okay, video. Okay, so let's try to video. And for the rear camera, support maximum 8K video recording, and also support 4K 30-60 fps and 1080p 30-60 120 240 960 fps. Support different display resolution and fps, and also support the advanced video anti-shake and OIS and EIS. And let's go back to the camera. It always remind me move further away. So for the, I think it's for the cameras, can get okay for the 1 to 2 big inch film telephoto camera, support 70 mm 3 times focal, and the telephoto lets you can get good easily shooting the long distance object. But for the short distance, I think it should be also improved. I just tested another model. It's not, no matter it's long or short, it can also well captured. So this is a bit annoyed when I always do testing on my desk and it's not actually opened when I use another model. And this is the anti-shake AI optimization, as I mentioned, about the camera lens, and also for the night vision, and also it's also get a good performance for night vision. It can control the details of the dark part and make the photos more bright and clean, and support the super night vision mode. And also for this time, use the 6.8-inch 2K Samsung straight screen, and this is a 2K LED screen. The peak brightness reached to 6,000 nits, and also the touching rate reached to 3,200. So the screen is pretty nice as well. Worked with the on-the-web chip, eSport chip Q3, so getting a very good gaming experience, and also the world first monster super core engine, QNSS super render engine, and also the new developer light tracking can provide a very good gaming performance. Yes, so still try to testing. So actually, if we adjust over than 10, it can get blurred, and I have no idea. Okay, this is the front camera, support 2 times zoom in. Yes, so this is the iQOO15 Honor of Kings 10 years anniversary edition. I hope you like this special edition phone from iQOO, and you can make a comment and let me know your thought. And here's some pictures of this device. And also I forgot to mention, this time they use a 7,000 mAh battery with 100 watt flash charging and 40 watt wireless fast charging, and also support the director driver power supply 2.0. Okay, and this is a new technology applied this phone. Okay, so this is today's my content, and I hope you like my content. Let's waiting for more questions from here. Enjoy the sample pictures and the photos of the smartphone. Bye bye.